We are on episode 2 of this place. This is a project that we took over from another contractor that simply could not make it happen. We aren't taking the whole project, just the framing and getting them to the point where they can set their windows and dry the place in. So that is the plan. This is day 2. Yesterday I spent laying out. The video for that is in the description down below. You can see all the problems that we've ran into, such as the staircase here, the floor system framing that's missing a ton of blocking. We don't have any of our point loads. And then on top of that, in that video, I show you just how we plated everything out to where everything goes up today as it should. Just yesterday, I posted a quick little poll here on YouTube and asked you guys what the biggest struggle was if you are in business for yourself, and the majority of people said employees and the rest said billing, estimating, proposals, the paperwork side of business. With that being said, today's sponsor is Houzz Pro, an all-in-one construction software that can help you streamline your business and make things a bit easier on you. Running a business can be difficult. You have estimates, you have proposals, you have contracts, you have all of your paperwork for general liability, you have auto policies, you have so much stuff you have to take care of. Taking care of your business, sending out change orders should be a breeze. With Houzz Pro, everything for me is right here. So I have change order availability, I have estimates, I could do proposals, everything right from here. So we've got a bit of a heat wave going on. It's roasting out here. Right now it's around 95 degrees. Luckily though, just north where I live is right around 115 right now. So we are thankful that it's a little bit cooler here, but it's still toasting pretty good. We have got this place just about wrapped up top. As far as exterior walls go, everything is wrapped up around here, all tied together, all sheeted already. We're good to go. Now the thing is, we have a couple walls over here that we have left to finish up. Those won't take all that long. We'll be back tomorrow to wrap up these interior walls, get everything dialed in, just a bunch of 2x4s in here. Everything is 8'1", so it's super nice to work with, easy to stand, nothing's too heavy. We've got a couple more exteriors off the back though to take care of, and we are complete. So all in, by the time that this place is ready for trusses, we'll be around 16 to 20 hours in. So far so good. We did find a few more things downstairs that need serious attention. We'll talk about those in just a bit. Quick method on squaring up walls: you can cross tape corner to corner, corner to corner, and get the same number. Or another way that you could do it, if you know the height of your wall, say it's 8'1" like we have here, you can cross tape and it works just fine. But if you have a 265-inch run for the wall length and you know that it's 8 foot
1 inch tall. That's your rise. You can hit diagonal, and you know that if you pull 23, 6 and 3/16, that you are perfectly squared up. Although I don't like trusting this because miscalculating is a lot easier than cross taping, it is a method that you can use for doing it. It has also been a pretty hot day. Everybody is pretty tired. Everyone is singing random versions of the songs on the radio. That's how you know it's been a good day. We're gonna sheet this wall here, get this thing stood, brace it off, get the heck out of here.